It's raining outside. I need to go into work to work overtime, but I'm gonna go play around in the Jeep quick just because I need content and I need fun. Gotta have it. So, let's do it. Oh yeah. Hoping to find a nice muddy patch to tear it up. In case anyone is wondering, I am in Mexico right now. That's where I am. So I can do what I want, you know? Alright. Oh, there's a little beamer for you right there. Let's go see what it looks like down here. Oh, this boy been fishing. Guess I better not do anything too crazy. Oh, there's a big puddle right there, boy. Ooh. Gotta go slow here. I don't want to splash this guy. Boy, this is a cool looking drive today. Just look at it. Alright, we're gonna mash it. Here we go. Oh, there's a lot of water. There's a lot of water, folks. Why is this person stopped in the middle of the road? What the heck? Okay. Title of today's video: Random person stopped in the middle of the road in the rain. Why does there always have to be a car chilling out here? It's a boobaroo though. Pretty sure it's a boobaroo. Oh. Wow. They got this crap taped off. Alright. Looks like we have to go in the grass. Which it gives me an excuse. You know? An excuse. Just go in the swamp, boy. Woohoo! Yeah, I was just turning around, officer. Alright. Well, that was pretty darn fun. I'm trying to think if there's anywhere else I can go rip it quick. And then I really need to go to work. I should be making money right now. You know, I could be making money if you would hit the subscribe button and get me to 1,000 subscribers. I could be making money right now doing what I enjoy. Just you know, a passing thought. So the river seems to be pretty high right now. So I'm wondering if I can't sneak down here quick and give y'all a little look at it. There is a little, like a boat launch kind of thing here. I don't know if I'm technically supposed to drive back here, but I'm doing it. muddy crap there. Wow. Here. Let's see if I can't turn you this way. Just leads right into the water. If my reverse were to fail right now, that would suck. Nope, not on Jeepy. Old reliable Jeepy. Oh, I can't see where I'm going. It's too much rain. I can't see what I'm doing. Oh no. Where am I? Woohoo, boy! Oh, this is definitely worth waiting a little bit to go to work. Alright, we gotta go this way. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I can't see anything. I mean, I'm safe. I can see everything. I can see just fine. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. There's so much water. Okay, let's take one more trip down here. Maybe that guy's gone now. Oh, there's another person. In this rain, they won't even be able to see what I'm doing over here. Oh, I can't even see what I'm doing over here. What the heck? Holy crap. Woo! This is insane. Funny they don't have a stop sign here, but you definitely need to stop. Alright, I'm going to straighten my phone out a little bit here. I may have turned it back a little too far that way, but it's alright. Check out all this water. These are on the road. It's like the flood all over again. Somebody call up Noah. My goodness. I'm looking at my phone. Well, no, you know, I'm not like being unsafe looking at my phone, but I can look at it easily right here, and I think that you guys have more visibility than I do. Like, I can see better if I stare at my phone than I can if I actually look out the windshield. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Did you see that? Did you see that? I lost all visibility. All of it. Wow. This is a lot of fun. Like, for real. I don't like it being rainy all the time, but there will be a plus side to it. That's all I'm saying. It makes for good fun. I bet this truck right here is about to go tear something up at the park down that way. Woo! Let's get ourselves some puddles here. Oh! Oh my goodness, guys. Definitely like and subscribe. This has been an exciting video. It is about time for me to go make some money. But if I could start making money here, that would be great. Oh yeah. I think I am driving the Jeep to work though. Woo! Get them puddles, boy! Man, I gotta go inside like this. Ooh. Ooh. Alright. I stopped with my windshield wipers like, well.